guys! Today we're going to be reading Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Achoo! Achoo! Pigs make me sneeze. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want, yes? A what? A ball, a swim, a hat. Choo! Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! I can't stop Achoo! Sneezing. Oh no! What if? What if? What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! Sneeze like Gerald, ready? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald? No, do not speak. It is too late. Look at Piggy. She's like, no. Oh no. Look, there's a helmet on Piggy's head now. Choo. Goodbye, Gerald. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is my best friend. Achoo! Now he just sneezed around the cat. I'm thinking maybe he's allergic to cats too. Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You're sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy! Piggy, great news! I have a cold! Good for you. Don't know what happened. Piggy got sick. Man, look at the pigeon. Man, thanks for joining me today.